I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the new SSD is powered and properly connected. Faulty cables are the most common issue. Next, open Disk Management. Right-click Start and select Disk Management so you can see raw devices. Once there, you'll immediately scan the list for disk marked Unknown, Not Initialized, or Unallocated. That's almost always the new drive. Make sure to note the disk number. You'll need it for the next steps when initializing and partitioning the device. Once the disk is identified, right-click its left pane and choose Initialize Disk. Select GPT for modern systems and click OK. Then right-click the unallocated space and run New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to pick size, assign a drive letter, and format in NTFS or XFAT depending on needs. Make sure to set allocation unit size to default and give the volume a clear label. This sequence prepares the SSD so Windows can mount and use it immediately. Finish by opening File Explorer to confirm the new drive shows with its assigned letter and label. Copy a small file to test read/write. If it does not appear, rescan disks in Disk Management or reboot, and also confirm the BIOS detects the SSD. If detection fails, check SATA/USB mode and cables. Finally, use Device Manager to update storage drivers or re-enable any disabled controllers. This often resolves invisible drives without hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.